Does LLC income count as personal income? Yes. For most LLCs, income counts as personal income because LLCs are usually taxed as pass-through entities. This means the profits and losses of the LLC pass through to the owners, members, who report the income on their personal tax returns. The LLC itself does not pay federal income tax in this default setup. For single-member LLCs, all income is reported on Schedule C of the owners, Form 1040. For multi-member LLCs, the LLC files Form 1065 and issues Schedule K-1s to members, who then report their share of profits or losses on their personal returns. If the LLC elects to be taxed as a C corporation, the income is not automatically personal income. Instead, the LLC pays corporate taxes, and only distributions or salaries paid to members are taxed personally. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and choose the right tax setup so you know exactly how your income will be taxed. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.